So apparently, I'm not good with flip-flops on stairs. I just face planted. Well, if I wasn't awake before, sure am now. Time to deliver the paper and breakfast. Hey guys, so we left the hotel this morning. Boo! It was a great night. We definitely both slept very well. And when we go to hotels or get hotel rooms, we do tend to get two queen rooms so that we both have a bed each. I do still go in and steal some Huggles from Walter though, but then I do go back to my own bed and I starfish the out of it, and it's fantastic. So this morning was great with the exception of face planting on the stairs. So suffice to say, I'm not in flip-flops anymore. I am back in my sneakers. I think flip-flops are to be kept for vacation. But something just happened right now, and I can't believe I didn't film any of this. Not one piece of it, not one. I did not film any of this. I didn't even get I personally didn't even get a photo. Everyone else got a photo. I just left my phone in the car and was just like, wah, I'm gonna go meet some people. Oh man, I have to remember. But I'm gonna tell you the backstory to this. So I had an order through for a grey hat from a guy called Robbie. And he reached out to me via email and said, oh, what's going on with the hat? Have you, when is it supposed to get here? I said, well, actually, I haven't sent it out yet. Why? What's up? And he said, well, it's for my wife. She doesn't know, and we are actually going to be coming to Sand Hollow this weekend. So do you think that maybe perhaps you could meet us and give her her hat in person? And I was like, of course, why wouldn't I? I'm here, and why would I send a hat out to someone who is legit gonna be here? Of course I will. I would love to do that. So we've been trying to meet up all day, but I've kind of been pushing back because I've had some stuff come up where I've just not been able to go and meet them. And thank goodness, so they went out this morning, and then around 3:30 they came back off the trail, and I was like really hoping that they were going back on a trail tonight, and they are. So Robbie, Julie, and their whole crew, they've got a good looking crew, by the way. They're going to be having fun tonight. They're going to head on to Plan B tonight, but I met them at the Walmart parking lot. And of course I don't have the Jeep, I have Mr. Taco. And not many people have seen Mr. Taco in person. So I pull up, I grab the hat, I jump out, and I can see Robbie. He's like, oh hi, I'm Robbie. And then he's like, Julie. And she turned around, and Julie, let me just say something about you, Julie. You plucked at my little heartstrings when I met you. What a fabulous person you are, and just want to thank everyone who watches Mischief Maker TV. Robbie, I'm so sorry that my face is all plastered on your wall, and you have to hear about what is going on. But Julie, I have to say as well, it's so strange to me that I'm having, I don't want to sound big-headed because I don't mean it in this way, but I'm having like an impact on people. It's just it's so cool. It's very, very cool. Weird, but very cool at the same time. And I'm honestly just a person with a Jeep who wants to pursue an off-road career. Not only with the Jeep, but with Mr. Taco too, but he's not ready yet. He's not even being started. But it's just very, I honestly felt very overwhelmed because yeah, it's just, yeah. I don't really have too many words, to be honest with you. It just makes my heart very happy, that's all. And I can't thank you guys enough for all the support, and I say this all the time, but I mean it genuinely every time with everything that I have. It's so awesome. I love this community. I love meeting people. So thank you guys. I should be thanking you guys, really, but thank you, Robbie, and it was so lovely to meet you guys, and it was so lovely to meet you, Julie. And hopefully, fingers crossed, in the future we can go hit a trail together. That would be awesome. That would be really cool. I would like that. So that's definitely gonna happen at some point. Yeah, I get the feels when I talk about stuff like that. Okay, moving on to the rest of today. I'm heading back to the farm. Val just texted me and said that she's stuck on the side of the road because they blew a gasket in the car. So they're going to be a little behind. And we have 2 new people on the farm tonight. 2 new people, 2 new motorhomes. So we're going to be hanging out with them. I will show you who they are when we get back. And yeah, I don't know if we're going to cook some delicious foods. I don't know if we're really that hungry. But I am definitely going to have a wee swally drink, a wee drink. I'm gonna have a wee swally tonight because it's Friday night, the weekend is coming. Let's go back to the farm. Let's get back there. Let's go see if I'm gonna be cooking some delightful thing. Maybe some, I'm gonna say it, tacos, maybe some tacos, or maybe something else. And let me introduce you to the 2 newbies on the farm. You've already met one of them. They were on the episode not so long ago. So let's get back. Let's get back. Okay, you know how I said we have a couple of visitors? Well, we have Morgan. Dude, so this is the Jeep that we saved the other day. There's something going on with the computer part of this, so he hasn't been able to wheel ever since. He's gonna have to take it back home, but he came here to kind of stay and chill out. And then over here, we have Richard from Genrite Off-Road. So he is here also, which is pretty cool. They're all over there just chit-chatting away. The cherry orchard. And we were all waiting for Val and Mike, who, update, still stuck on the side of the road, 3 hours away. They have someone coming to get them with a trailer, and they're gonna head back up to Salt Lake City for tonight. So we were all gonna hang out, but we're not. We're gonna call it kind of like an early-ish night. Well, guys, another day is coming to an end. And you guys know what I'm just away to say. If you guys are enjoying the channel, remember to subscribe and like. Leave me a comment, and don't forget the notification bell. If you are looking for your swag, and by the way, thank you so much for all your comments on yesterday's vlog. I'm loving it. We're doing it. So keep your eyes peeled. I will tell you when everything is ready to rumble and you guys can purchase your Frickle Frackle t-shirts, that is. And if you're looking for anything Mischief Maker, the hats, we have them in 3 different colors: the black camo, the camo, and the gray. And we still have some Mischief Maker stickers left. So if you're looking for any of those, head on over to www.women-wheelers.com. And until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later. Boop.